Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You will begin by preparing one clean environment so packages stay predictable. Create a virtualenv or use conda, and install Jupyter with pip or conda. This prevents conflicts. Once done, open your terminal, change directory to the folder where your notebooks will live, and run Jupyter Notebook. The command starts a local server and opens a browser. Make sure the terminal stays open, because it shows kernel logs and the server URL you may need. You will create a new notebook from the browser interface and immediately name it for clarity. Run code cells with Shift plus Enter. That executes code in the active kernel and moves to the next cell. When you need libraries, install with %pip install package inside a cell so the kernel recognizes them. Alternatively, use your environment manager. Make sure to check the kernel menu to restart or change kernels if you switch environments, because mismatched kernels cause import errors. You will finish work by saving often and exporting the notebook to the format you need, such as IPENB, PY, or HTML. When done, shut down kernels from the dashboard to free memory. Also stop the server in the terminal with Ctrl+C. If something goes wrong, like the browser fails to connect, open the terminal where you launched Jupyter and inspect the server logs for errors. And make sure localhost and the port are not blocked by a firewall as the primary troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.